Hello to my wonderful listeners. One Family TV wala mutanale ng kotenke. Mbadi ngolu journalist o ikafame ko Mod Lamin Sultan Jammeh atele moti mealon ko afintira de adia mutade ay kuma kan dol tade mealon ko aki mo ikafame ko President Adama Barrow de katandala ko journalist o la kumaya mealon ko wolbe Gambia banko ni kande bar anata diama katandala ko demokrati mealon ko wolbe Gambia banko ni kan ako amam fo journalist ol fanan koma de mealon ko adia muta wala de atandala ko journalist ol mo molti meyalon ko ikumayata banko nin kanne de meyalon ko atandala ko journalistol mo molti meyalon ko ka doko meyalon ko wala ke banko nin kande ay kuma jama fo meyalon ko wala mu jammeti de meyalon ko aki president Adama Barrow yede ka atandala ko journalistol la kumaya meyalon ko wala mu Gambia banko nin kante de meyalon ko wala mu nin journalistol de jamme meyalon ko jama ka fay Mod Lamin Sultan Jammeh meyalon ko adiam tabak president Adama Barrow de oto mbadi ngolum be audio nin talamba natila lenande ne lamani hakilola mbadi ngolum kana alla moy anin jusola de.
Assalamu alaikum. Gambia no lungalu kontong melube Gambia kono anu melube Gambia bantala ndelo mo Mod Lamin Sultan Jammeh a Gambian journalist. Nanyu audio mba katala prakana jamfa bari ni audio jamfata tumado allamo ka kole adolu bulu ni audio njikita kwa telbe kala na audio foloti be min deda kam puraye janjang adum bade da kam meye wala kita Gambia no luti melube Gambia anu melube Gambia bantala bari même fa tam audio di wala kita na banko kuntiyo de no banko Alpha Ba men kata president Adama Barrow di ni ajem be audio de dala ñun sunkar salo men tambita teng na president o speech ke speech ñin kono ay journalist ol maaji aketa diamuti me alonko ay ndol kijo fara ay mirandi me yati na kijo fara ay mirandi wala ñenti ko ndol fanan be banku doku wala adum banku doku ate mandiya am fenne di men koleata adum tol journalist ol tol ka bata kaduna doku mu doku le di me alon ka mandiya wallahi journalism koleata ni minta kono imalon bar doku le men koleata a koleata bake oto kamala ka ni audio futande president Baroma ko komen ay sabari Mr. President sabari Mr. President sabari nyajon ko sabari Gambia bi itala nyaton koti alay tele jibe molu be kono o banko kanje a banko karafema anu alala lo meyati nayoke adun alala ni boro ndol man kuno woto nsondala le ngata bari atele adila atele ni boala bari niaje nko ndol nyem mirandle wala nyenti ko njikita ko ni mo follow be sotola na banko kan menyanta journalist wol sembentu yala Mr. President njikita ko nyanta kele telti ni aje ngo fo wala nyenti ko democracy membe Gambia bi anyino mam fo ko anda anyino mam fo journalist wol fananko democracy membe Gambia journalist wol ya kata je bake pour kaje ko ay soto Gambia bi oto kamala ndolla ko nyanda buñale male na ko nyanta kela kuleti bul me yalon ka ke bul solan koti bari ni aje ngofo Gambia be damen tembi fanna jama be la man sakunda mel yalon ko tinyaro ka keje bake mel yalon ko kuryal ka keje bake tumado ise dolu long tumado ite dolu lonna bari mam melu long nindol jololi sol bulata noma nga ko kisi nga findindi o fanambe Gambianol avail the opportunity to be privy to what is going on there. And a bete fanam makwela memu banko nyaton koti pour yalong yemmolu menkeje foy ba ke ka nyama foy ta ke ka nyama o bete makwela abe banko makwela abe ndol makwela anda be banko sambala nyato freedom of the press membe Gambia B Mr. President anyino mamfoy ko wallahi anyino mamfoy ko nakuma follow la ko democracy membe Gambia anyino mamfoy ko adum ye democracy fo dawoda freedom of the press nyanta tarla wodole ya faham yale media mu fennati me yalon ko kumata bake niajen ko media kumata bake wala nyinti ko ning atara government fraud ambije wonyanta kala media li adin jikita ko media li do kamala sembentu yaro lom drong manke enemy ti banku do ko fanam be walla abanku do ko le me ala koleata baro banku do ko mbe menna ayete nafa ay ndol nafa ay do nafa andu ye banku je nyin dunia kono jang ye president je nyin banku lu kono jang a president kuruo a president kendo alon ko jonali sol kala ko mo fole bari harmadi mantima ye mansa kunda je jang mol min ka doko ko mansa kundalla adokula kendo adokula kuruo jonali sol ka safero kala ko wala bari hadamadi mantima niaje ngami nyimfo wolem nyinti ko niaje mbe nyimfo la wolem nyinti ko hadamadi ngose timmanyaawo nya waddol mistake ka kebul ni mistake lu findi tan tol jonali sol lo dango mistake mutangi lankenema ibaje lal ko se ko kudi men sa tinano o mari ni melbije ise hakiloto ya make sure mistake wol kana fulan janko tenke wala ya tinna akiran to responsibility to hold the government to account manke enemy ti do kol ni wonata Mr. President bari mbedan la ko tenke sabari drum Mr. President sabari jonali sol tuje yes sabari jonali sol tuje yen sembentu ya wala se banko samano nyaado Mr. President sabari Mr. President nyine be banko makoyla adu nyine be banko fanan sambala nyaado audio nyimbadan na jang foka Gambiano be tentu ke jayi be dawda Mr. President nge fanan tentu nge jayi alaman sula sabu nyimmala alaman sula manta bengola alama kairo jidin la Gambia kono momo sen audio futandino Mr. President ma dukara la futandama njikita ko abe hakilima tamandila jele andun kumol fana metala baraka baki
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم بعدين Gambian kolu ngal be konton al badi male mo haji suwane yajen ko badin Gambian kolu be Gambia dingo belema kadu Gambia be mo badin kilelete donc dimbe diam la ñoy sa diam ñoy mbadiya kadu Gambia ko men salilungo nga men safelem and I still stand by my words ka for Gambia is in need of national prayers Gambia mu bankul bi ni ngata banku dolel mo bebe kelangane kilingol tingam buloti ning alala fo ala men sinkiri nkisi Adama Barola ma sibola katu wole montel bula weapon bati mana joram bati nse menkeno banku be duwa Gambia la haju futal banku be duwa la yo bidun na finto kata men kawla minti ko press conference me alon ko honorable Mama Kande nga biri ngala moy King FM mfana tam conseil hakkilende fay ya marola karola ni Gambia dingolu men be news ni na moy la kadu momo nding you are entitled to your opinion and then molla la moy nyal fana man kiloti nin kumo foda dol kala moy nya menna aka sangrale andu ni be fintila fana ikka sangara to fintile nin kumo dum foda modol ka moy nyay kala moy hakkilola pour ya karanga ko dola alam ala internatel be ke woti ala kananke multi men be dia molla moy la nin jusola anin sangaro kan de nga sangara to finti ka wo ko fana ta kon ko address le tiñaro me yalon ko be kala woto wol siata da daro be kala ala mala nal be ke newol la tiñaro la anin newol la masibo la anin dal la masibo la badi Gambian ko lu honorable Mama Kande dia muta al press conference ñu bandula atin journalist le ya nyininka anda a jabiro ke ala lodula kan on the issue of retro active clause me yalon ko modol ka fo comme barora tatamo contrôle da ko commencer ñin la hani ma ka commencer ñin anyway I think that I même foje that is Mama Kandela stand just like party party you have a stand party party you have your own interpretation momo different you have your own view and then ñing kuma kaw ñin tema ñi Mama Kandela bi amanke kuma kan kutoti kuma kaw ñin na le ya remember bring party dal itatan Abuja kai in Nigeria Mama Kande was there when he came back ay ñing kuma kilon taka fo so kamala molu nyanta ka nyola opinion no respect le particularly nimbe jabiro kala ngake nim famma jiko na bari ndara jiro Mama Kande la is not an issue because Mama Kande amantra baro encourage kam pour kata tam amantra baro encourage kam pour ay tambi tam tout tam la because watu fana ka fole ko baro me yalon ko le ko gambe dingole ko a sanji saba amanna si jo sanji sabola ako sanji tata sanji lulu sanji tang o man wasa kata fo akaka tam munela yo bari wonin ala jerinya bankola luwa la karola wol fatatale wonin ala view bankola marat kitabola karola wol fatatale and I think that is a right me yalon ko nyanda ko wotu abulo I'm not speaking for Mama Kande mantra dia Kande Mama Kande toyala but media Kande ko Gambia need a national prayers Gambia needs a national prayers hade nim membela interpretation kala on that retroactive clause la isa keno on your own opinion and your own view but you should not attack anybody particularly Mama Kande should not be attacked mafo moya attack mammo mo ba attack bari ko susi la ibori nyawnya isa dala fane busola aka dole kafu ala tantanel kafu je 2026 is fast approaching and ngalo ne ko nin ko ngal loyal damale at opposition Mama Kande the UDP is a loyal opposition and if you are counting 1 2 Mama Kande is going to be the second or the third loyal opposition in this country here opposition leader in this country so therefore GDC in the members of the Menkang ikafada UDP kambang imalafa UDP kambang but they are doing what is expected from an opposition and I think that's supposed to be commendable comme nyanta ka konti ngawo encourage katani ko Gambia mo klinta fintindi no fom bele ngam blodi nyola ngam Gambia fintinde andu masibo me yalon ko nka fo alimbe ngada dane fo amesin kisim adam barola masibo la bele nya masibo me yalon adam barola saka la banko ka katu ni adam baro kilongo ni sanyin ten ajanna ka nyati na dina dun ko lella akate kana dino le control al mamul nyanta ka kutubo mem fo ate adam barola nyanta ko decide al mamul nyanta ka mem fo le barol kan adam barola masakunda nyanta ka wo fo le al benyine fo la hane al tenyindo fo la andu akonin bankudo ka nyamena ko men nimmen yawo so haniya aya kilin la fawo kan man sakunda ke isna nyapi kan ye muta andu Ahmad Baya fole kate ya damta la commencer ay imamu do fon commande sa biro ya kutubo ke ka diam ko kan ate yow imamu commande aya address adam baro fon mantraw kalama so Mama Kande imamu jumal address ya stafula Ahmad Baya imamu jumal address aya address mun kan aya doya mun kan amawo fo molien ando imamu fana finte ka diam so jumal ya wonyon sifa jelle se keno janin 2026 so ñinemo andu ñinni anyom plan jamal bidda because alani imamul la jome moy andu ngalo ne ko ya pastor lel fujani ani muslim imam ratibol bar meme so bindro kala men na lo minti ko asikeno ninwo kodo me yalo ko imam ratibol jolala asikeno pastor lol bari jeklala ma fo muslim ol ta asapla wala bari jekla ma fo because na akhidal man ke kilonti bari wo fanan sing hakilo to back sing hakilo to fanat back adama la political tactical is dangerous adama la political tactical is dangerous ntebe ni fokani in advance pour hakilimal base sing be gani jibe na in imam ratibol jo wallahi aye jo no problem ni ya accept fana ya accept no problem because be do ko imam ratibol bankol ka ke jole ha bankol ka ika jotale so ila jol ka bonan damena foka bonan masakuna alfa ko min to ba dam o man kala ya so ning arma ka be jola imamul I would not say they don't deserve it and then na ye jo fana nda fala ma nyang se bentu yaro la ba fala ko no problem bare ntel manya ka finti ka kuma fu wolto religion is religion bare na suksi ko mentolo mintu ko as keno pastolu wol bari jeklan according to the suspicion I have nda fala nga intel soto bare nga me so become ko melto as keno pastolu bari jeklan so because munemu trying to protect their integrity pour ila kawando kana ke kutime alon ko mol ba jala ko they are speaking masakunda diale kan as ibe kawando ke masakunda diale kan as keno dalu atuna pastol bari jekla so al mamul la fanna maw kisa soto wodo but hanata ya access fana nte man kasi jeje man problem fana jeje ntake la problem fanati but men ko mar wala min ko wojo me yalon ko be dilewo al mamul la wojo me yalon ko be dilewo pastol la amanta fensanse la bankola wala balu nyaato bankoto no because anyway ning adama wol jo ay jo nyaawonya atambe dara si wuli sabala atambe wala ko ba alkalo jo kamella hana ye jo dara si wuli lulela wo dara si wuli lo wo abe munena fala bi fona ay tama do mebe nata almamo bi luaso la because bi luaso minimum le 5000 minimum bon tour man palon ya fam so non te 6000 le 7000 luaso ka wala decide so bari membe je wala min ko adama na political strategy abe warala le fonnalle bari de alsalon ko UDP la executive la kuma kango memba fokan UDP supporter solo Gambia dingol generally wollelu sia bata UDP executive for so ning atel la kuma kango ninte la kuma kango mansi la kilimuta ala longo is going to be very difficult pour nga move no and Gambia need all of us Gambia sulo be mbelela Gambia la hajo be mbelela so mbesi kambe fitino nyaadi de wala mi njugo ngajel sanyin teng mol men yalon ko lebe banko kasara kam mol men yalon ko imanta feñi namanke ikunkina ko lelti wala le adama soral kala jeli ya mis information men diala ya adama mislead nyamen ngaflo nyo adama ya mislead ni person la men yalon ko le marché to ye nyo saba ka ya ka filindi ka presso diala men yalon ko manta marché to mano da na bi bele ngalo bar adama presidento ya kuma sorbalo ta ya dunga da kolla atata lo jama rahmano la imamo lu nyati wala ayo kuma ken sonta ya foye membe den di mano dala because mano bi mani boto memba fala gambia jamani boto 2700 1700 le and 1900 le asata mani boto moli asan ni kiti milungo ni pour ka mudol bonda kono la mudol suma kolla 2250 2200 mano da bolla that's the cheapest rice so adama mang ku nyanyi ni and ntata fala ma nyanyi because I'm not going to blame the civil the Masakunda civil servants for that because nenen ka to tari ko do falen ngalen ko coalition progress gam bri protest la senior civil servants ya itani molal ko ika influence men ni adam barola abuketel tata ngala jele ko te ganata abe blame men la ka wol ka civil servants ka ako civil servants ka tar senior official tole wol ka fete do ko kala adama baroy bar fo civil servants be do ko ka adama barole ba hani wobe do ko ka gambe dingolele bari momen yow fete nata adama ko civil servants ko woni ne fo wo mo kilo le kata misleading nyina ni wo civil servants kayen ko marché kono la mano dabe nyine because wolle technocrat e kayen ko bagaso dabe nyine la e nyimmol men yalon ko wolle ka adama mislead akol la kuma kawta wolkata ka funu kanela mo ngilla ni mo opposition de mano da mantra wala balu da mantra wala balu dabe nyine la so aka mo kense wolle la kuma kawta kasia mo sobelti masakunda ko la so wo mol dumbe molel saf kay mantra alma saf ko o bem do ko ke kam molele e man do ko ke ko e betala ka do ko ke adam barole hani ya ikalile ko do ko la gambe di wolele so ni ko ndemanda do ko ke adam barole do ko gambe di wolele what is wrong with that but maji taraw misinterpretate ya nyamenna this is so sad and that's the type of country we are so wala na mama kandela nkuma ko this is not an issue it's a matter of a view it's a matter of an opinion jeri nyalamu an mirar nyalamu ay mensoto bankora marar kitabu tanya to and that is why consultation on inclusiveness is important momon dinke consult kila mirar nyininka ila jeri nya kolto wole akumande bari nimba kela hanin ndelbina lam fana ben tadila nkana dinin horomanta yakono la nkana dinin nyo do yakono la alinga dinin bunya kono la and because banko be ka dablo kono la mo be dem fengo mo be ka dablo kono la so bari kana to kalten to kal jey katana ko banko de Gambia need all of us and be mo be dan lale itekta almamol tiba ikita momon tiba alim be nga salol ni dual sendi nga duwanna banko e fala men simma koy ay kisi adambaro ma sibola adam baro ni ngande jawme be siri nkali ya mola la député o me yalon ko lebe wulli e ka sala sifal men bol jalambato because on jalambato sala lete ka bari no ta ke ta ki jola fu benda bar nin talulu nin fen ka be fa sata kilo kala ke rara nyonte nyono mata ke kan kuntu latare ka wol ke salal tare fa le mera député ni ngaya ka fanne these are spiritual things me yalon ko nyibo ke ka bar mba fala len ko harmado bala fero draka wallahi ala yala fero men landi wolem ferol be fere fi samante wolte so nimmol be la kuriyalla ala comme annabi la suleiman ala men falmu o ma kafara suleiman walakinna sayatinu kafaru yuallimuna an-nasa as-sihra ha وما يعلمان من أحد حتى يقولا إنما نحن فتنة فلا تكفروا كورتي ولا ماسيبو نكالا جله ها كالا كورتي ماسيبو جله النبي الله سليمان على يتنا كافو والله النبي الله سليمان من كافرين ha bar setan wala kafriyata ha aka mol karandini tombeng korte wala andu bari nin abe o korte ta kadilla wo korte ni kana mi fa motora nin alaman kitala de wo korte buka motora nin alaman kiti ko abe mala momenna so korte la korte o atele ba fam mantora kan tu korte manke mantora te momondien fo men fo ba bonde aka wol fo mantora ha aka wol fo mantora e ka korte o ke ka molu korte e kana sada jawol bondi abe pour ñi masaya ko so la dan ninga molu moy ka fo adam baro birin akaya dingo sacrifice le so ama min ko ya sacrifice ko ma men min wala min ko awudata la dingo fata ko ma that is not true adama fo nengo ya fa nengo men fo ma da dingo sacrifice le andu niya adama man kuto beji be bajila these ritual things ñilel ka feñala ko to baga ñindi bido me ya ñinke ñu MPP di bitolti MPP di bitol ya ñinke ka bata ka fa anu bari même fa balfa war fa warta wo men yow karate wol manke misil molti bari ya di men lo misil molti fasara wol yow domol fa ma domo wallahu a'la wa a'lam ba natar ya domol ya haramol domo ya natar ya domol ya haramol domo because nata men yow karate wol manke misil molti ni ma karate ko misil me karate ro ya fenn fana karanga kungoto tofu akungoto me yalon ko haramata misil me akon la ka fen tofu kanate fen kungoto même manke bismillah même manke ala toti wallahi ne yow domo ya haramol ta ya domo so wallahu a'la wa a'lam man taw dulatu ji bad nin ata wo moli wo faare fengol domole imam fen domo namange haramote so wala da nyim banko nyim beri nyanta kam bulola nyokam ngam bulo ka nyoma nga ala dani ala mon men sinkise aram baro la masibo la aram baro masibo tin mako kanjang ninko masibo ala lon ko ala fangol nyim fana fo nyon ko teke akon nyenko nga ninga koji me ala ko le masibo koti nga fo inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi rajiun mbe buta alal ya andu mbe salate alal ya fana ko rek so wala mu to nyate ning dung masibo ko fana be fana nyate lim molla fana ko rek njate alal dani no fana ko rek masibo ko dum fana manke ka fo ko be ni mo dama fata hani o dama masibo ko de ha masibo ko be je minalo birin yiri dingol la konko lemba fitnol mi yalon ko lebe ko men konko fitno yiri dingol la naso na yiri dingol la naso ka niol la tinya nyimbe mu kuler mi yalon ko masibo ko lelma so andu banko be anya trin kamena bi wala mu nyin sifalte nyim banko bi al halo maneri mbakele banko be konko be banko kan andu wol be mu kuler mi yalon ko masibo ta man serolam so adam borla man sakuna man fennati moli na man ke masibo yo boni masibo wala mu jot so ni na tajibe wolum ko be ko ala yebe catégorie ko masibo konko membe ni banko kambi sauver ay tan le nun ka fo ngol be banko kanya keme o keme sidula tawro en fen tawro la len fen wonel ka ni konton soto e boka sima wole be ni banko kanya sauver ay tan le nun jam so ni be mu ko de majo o sauver sai ka wole fale ko wol manke to nyaade wol papol ko mo just me afen ko le mot bari men ko mata wala min ko momen me yalon ko be taka nyin toro be laari ngekam wol yalo ne ko adama baro alay masukunda ko la toro boli kan anu konko be lale do ko soto bala sari fo ninge ko do ko soto atna fo ninge be uday kan sadol to me yalon ko wolel fo ne malon kan fo munen fo mo fintodi bigol be fanata fen kan be findeka so mama kande même fo alimbe nga mutawonya ala opinion fo and he's entitled to his opinion but mo manya naka findeka ko kuma sangaran ngolo fo different from civilizedly expressing your opinion natra ya different one soto so but ndebe membe mol nga focus is the only solution
yo okay sono mi yalon ko anyanta kala muslimol be jusla lungolet mi yalon ko ika faye ko Eid Fitr mi yalon ko wala musunkar salot ite manta kuma fodo han mol min fata ite ko jalay Ako ate bot nang akate. This guy need to check the data properly. How old he is? Ako awulutan 1965. So mommy awulutan 1965. 1979. How many years are you? 14 years. 14 years. He is in primary school. So akate nata Banjul wo watole. So ate primary school ban wati jumal. Akana 1975. Akana another 1979 Banjul. He was only 14 years. Okay? 14 years. Akana Banjul wato. Okay, let's give him that. He another Banjul wato. Maybe I think he was one of the smartest people me alonko primary school ban 14 years. I don't even think so. So I think I have Banjul 1979, 14 years. But mimbe kere, I think I'm in for Modi, ordinary man soto. Because nte la ta follow kata katambi fonila. Kata bolon kono kata base was in the 1990. That time the road was built from Banjul to Basse. It's all tarred. Very fine road. Aketa maybe from Banjul to Basse, maybe 4 hours. But I think 1979, Kabonam Basse, kana Fojara, sila to the Berulan Silver Board. Molmin Takaje or water, maybe they can come and verify. But coming for Yandel Wolamyinti, a Muslim la Salungo, me along all Musunkarot, Onyantakela. Ka hako boy nyoy ka nyoso duala anin ka nyinin karo ke mun koli akule be kering pour man sakunda sa mun makore ke yeno ngam la wala nyanda kachar bare ka mol bilem mol mi yalon ko imantra han balurin kat mol be alon ate ka do ko min fo mala ka mun do kulaf ako infrastructural development kabi ate nyinin ka do la mala nyinin ka wala lefta mun la to ko infrastructure development ate lefta wal wa nyinin ka o ku kilimo le senka wa nyinin ka o ku kilimo le senka ko sinya saba masibo boytal Gambia need human development right now. It's much more important than anything. You invest on people. If you invest on people, everything will follow. He doesn't know the man doesn't know the difference between fantasy and reality. The man doesn't know the difference between what is opinion and what is a fact. It's very sad. It's very sad. So, Africa will catch up. I think they are just dreaming. Mr. Baji Bala Kumo ala. It's a wishful thinking. Africa will become a superpower. It's a wishful thinking. Until what we are fighting right now to build the foundation from now. We need to build the foundation. Foundation is not there. You're talking about a project which is like 100 or 200 years. Do you think the rest of the world will be waiting for you until you catch up? We need to build the basic foundation. Me alonko ya jaminara until the foundation will crumble down. Baronada. See? Gambia mbuka nasate ofong fitano esenia. In the 80s, when I was going to high school, Gambia, Banjul was much cleaner than today. Serekunda was much cleaner than today. Sukuta and Kombo was much cleaner than today. Ndolko, we are dreaming that we're going to catch up with the rest of the world, so Africa will become a superpower. It's a wishful thinking. I don't kana kuma for me I don't go and can you tlo the diane dron. Nimminko for Marina Manfinti, no matter what part of the States they live or what part of Europe they live. How can you develop if you don't have water? How can you be developed when you don't have electricity? Place like Gambia, sometimes electricity doesn't. You don't have electricity for almost like 8 hours, off and on, like a Christmas light. Let's stop joke. We have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. Kafoko moto Burundi, ye moto sanandron ka Burundi, ye telephone flak yala jibo ko ne haftan balkara. Ibe masakunda kodo bumbaila, wonte kuningoti, o manka tanyatot. Adnun Gambian ka jama biye wala mira tanyatot. Ye moto Burundi, moto mi yalan ko foyma do ku italo le kodo la sunya. How many people can afford buying a new car in the Gambia? Zero, almost. Almost zero. How many people can have $50,000 US dollars to buy a new car? It's almost zero. Sai, ite ka o motol min besa, ika mo la kodo sunya, ika nganyala. Yeah, me mo development. It's not a development. This is why our fathers, our mothers, our wives, our sisters, our brothers, our uncles, our cousins are going to hospital. There is no medication. If they are sick, they will rush to go to the private hospitals. After, when they are stabilized, they will try to go to India or Turkey for a treatment. They will avoid Royal Victoria Hospital. They will avoid Ndemban Clinic. They will avoid Serekunda General Hospital. They will avoid Birkama Clinic, Sukuta Clinic, because they know that there is nothing there. But in Gambian code, al nga nyayele. Mol be tulunan na, mfong be tulunan mfongol. Bi ni musukon ma be alla ko da kon mo bela katala slan ni janaba wulul. Ndol dindia wato. Ntola age group, almost 90% of the people were born home. And almost 100% successful rate. Today, with all this technological advancement, with all these cutting edge technologies, with all this advanced medicine, Ntola hospital woka musola death chambered. A simple thing. Ibuka musolu wulundi no. Mo mi yalon ko, doctor mi yalon ko amon musolu wulundi no. Sa ni mo a very serious accident soto. Life-threatening accident. Olbo jaranola. Ta jaranola. If somebody has a cancer, if somebody has a stroke, they cannot treat them. Period. So everybody is paying price on a daily basis. Ndolbe we wish Africa a good thing, but we should know the difference between wishful thinking and reality. We should know the difference between fantasy and reality. The biggest economy in Africa right now, which is Nigeria, doesn't have electricity, doesn't have sufficient electricity. They're still depending on generators like Gambia, and is the economic power of Africa. Nigeria, the superpower of Africa, people don't even have clean water. People are talking about Africa becoming a superpower. We don't even need to be a superpower. We just need to be an economic power so that we can supply the whole world. But we need to build the basic first. I don't know what part of the world these people are living. If you are living in the United States, you talk like this. It's a very big ambition. I agree. It's a very big ambition. And they wish Africa well, but it's not realistic based on what's going on right now. Look at a small Gambia, which is almost like 11,000 square kilometers, less than 3 million people. We cannot solve that problem. We have Yahya Jammeh for 22 or 23 good years, and then we have Barrow for 10 years. We are struggling to remove them. We need to fix the basic first. Honestly, I don't want to be too pessimistic. I am an optimist, but we have to face the reality. We need to build the basic first. We need to have sufficient water, clean water supply. Water is life. Life is water. If you don't have that, you are on ground zero. You are below ground zero. After that, we need sufficient energy supply. We need to have electricity, sufficient electricity. We need to have natural gas to cook so that people don't go and cut our trees and create a catastrophic environmental disaster for our countries. We need to have energy sufficiency. We need to upgrade our education system. We need to build our healthcare infrastructure. None of this is happening in most of the African countries. And these guys talking about superpower, that's another 400 years to come. You think the rest of the world are just sitting there waiting for you? We need to build the basics so that our children's children can start building on this. This is not for us. It's not for our children, but our grandchildren. We are behind about almost 500 years. And people are talking about Africa become superpower. I don't know what they think. This is just a wishful thinking. Okay? We all agree that we need to put our ass together and start building our basic. Gambia cannot even clean the country. It's so filthy. Momo be Gambia be available price speaker with no exceptions, except Barona and other cronies, because probably they can take them to Turkey or India or Saudi Arabia. Mbadin Gambian ko nyimbala fa wasa. How many people are losing their lives for basic surgeries, for basic medical intervention? It's not there. Even blood, if you need a blood, people have to go and advertise in the social media for you to have somebody to donate you. Even the blood pints are not available in the hospitals. Even the syringes. Few years ago, when they received that tons of money from international donors for the COVID-19, we proposed that they should buy ventilators. Guess what they did? They came and they said they ordered some ventilators from Turkey. Up to this date, nobody has seen those ventilators. Even if they take only 1 million, they could have get almost 60 ventilators, 60 life-saving ventilators. So Gambian people are not the priority of Barrow and his cronies. They pocketed all those millions of dollars. Today, ni Fama Sasad, unfortunately. Today, ni Bama Sasad, unfortunately. Ni Din Sasad, ni Musu Sasad, ni Fong Sasad, e Barinding, ni Bari Muso, e Bitang, Eda Ant, ya Samba Banyul Leptanoto. There is no privacy. Larang Fong Bukasoto. Gia Fong Bukasoto, Gia, Kata Gia Sanang Bitikolet. There is no electricity. There is no toilets. The place is filthy, dirty. But in Gambian call, these people, they don't want imams to preach that. Iko al-mamul manya na ofali la kawando kono, al-mamul manya na fla corruption. This is the joke of the millennium. This is the joke of the millennium. Mbadi Gambian call. Na banko kasara tale. Banko mol be conquering. Banko mol be conquering. Lack of security. Banko mol man tanka. O banko kambi. Hadamadingu mi alon ko konkoda. O hadamadingu wote kende ala. Hadamadingu mi alon ko a konkoda. O hadamadingu wala mental, wote he is not gonna be mentally fit. Momi alon ke be mira la jandi ke la jan ite boko futo sino be mira le be ko do bonda dam fama dimbal balu la nyali ite be kendi la nyadi ina mo banko la problem woti oto Gambian ko lu ngali tentu once again ba falale ko Eid Mubarak alma alen na sunkarsia ngali tentu ngali jay albadi malam ako presse ya buka karang but he doesn't know the definition of presidency. Atemalo min form the definition of his job. Presidency is nothing but a leadership. Leadership bukol be caring. Leadership bukol te banna university to leadership bukol te banna library to. It's a leadership karano dame. Leadership, presidency is just a leadership. As simple as that. Aka karanne. Presidency aka karanne. Yajer. But remember caring drum. Atela kuo lombalia da matige. Tlimbalia nin jarabo nin habo ba kuo kono. Habo wala mu corruption oti anin jenko mi yalon ko a jenke nyabe jawarin back. It's all for them. It's all about money. How much money ite lefta ite ka kodo minta alon ko every single penny or butut. Ye minta mi yalon ko a manke la jot ima doku. Ye mol la balunya sendikom. Fo musolle mammin kata loptano de ka faje because bore tije expert tije joran tije fo dindingol la min ya lonko i kata karamuto eni londi bukaji now ka moy ko iko to left local language system la karamuto momi ya lonko ite mang basic ite buka dinul fo teaching no basic mathematics la basic physics basic chemistry molka karamin for already they know how to speak it. You want to add that to our curriculum. Ite alon ko min fang bilarite bulite mo sambano dinul buka pasno. What a mispriority is that? My fellow Gambians, my brothers and sisters, the country is in a terrible crisis. Na banko ajolonta dinkolo kono fongan tewa city. Banko mi alon ko security tiye. Dinul ka yeman ko fenko sisewol nim baka yema nyami bi wot mon ndol be kata karamudo wato minna ese tama kabin sire kunda fo sukuta hani nyino ita jila abetambile nyato bi kabo sire kunda maso kata lonin kona ni ko ba tama la suto wati dodo ni ikendo da fudala security mantala banko kan mbadin Gambian ko na banko la ko bala fa warta bak jani ko bosol sang army with a boss for what dajel yo kodo min bedundu bosol ni wo tractol kunto army min need be wala mi ila basic trokolt and in few small cars that me along need for some errands that they can use those quickly pickups. That's all what they need. Either communication equipment, or whether it would be walkie-talkies and personal protection gears. They need all that so that natural disaster or whatever natural calamity happen, army ning fire service ay futufa is army order ye makoy wala ngunin ku kata dulato comme nyin crime beke be kan Gambia kon ni yalon ko nyin dula kar ni area criminal le be faringi army le na gebe surround rapid law enforcement agencies like the police and other security apparatus can come in. So what the army gebe muda kadung ka criminal muda. The army nyanta use la wala kam because sign the Gambian in among ta wala in another country. Then kumayat. But the university be pure in now they are trying to throw mud on the wall to see which one is gonna stick. Wala mu ntola bank wala problem with mu simply cosmetic. It's a priority long at all. You understand? They don't know their priority. Imagine ye moto mintang iko moto tan say aning kononte yola sang atondi Islamic conference o minkaraji. After the conference lasts for only 24 hours. After 24 hours, now yo moto da mat talay da maltem. Yani ka moto dosa. Ite o moto tala ye moto tang di army la ye trokol say ye joran kendo say mimbe nafala. Army hospital sotole. You buy cutting edge technological medical equipment. Ya the army la, ya the hospital. The new hospital they are overwhelmed. Some people can just go to the army barrack for treatment. Ko ni mo baramata you cut. Army can do the stitches easily. Molbe nyo sola murola la bed all those time army just put the stitches. But hadam madingo mi yalon ko amala do ko la description alone. This is exactly what you